Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you jumpstart your Audi A5 safely and efficiently. First, gather essential safety gear such as gloves and eye protection to protect yourself. Always ensure both your Audi and the donor vehicle are completely turned off before you begin connecting any cables. Position the donor car close enough so the jumper cables can easily reach both batteries without being stretched. Safety is paramount when working with car batteries. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. Take the red positive cable and attach one clamp to the positive jumpstart terminal on your Audi A5, typically found under a cover near the windshield. Then, connect the other end of the red positive cable to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Next, attach one end of the black negative cable to the negative terminal of the donor battery. Finally, connect the remaining black negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal ground point on your Audi A5, away from the battery itself. With the cables securely connected, it's time to get some power flowing. Start the donor vehicle and let its engine run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the donor battery to transfer a sufficient charge to your Audi A5's battery. After this charging period, attempt to start your Audi A5. If it doesn't start on the first try, wait a few more minutes, then try again. Be patient, as it sometimes takes a little extra time. Once your Audi A5 starts, it's crucial to disconnect the cables in the correct order to avoid any sparks. First, remove the black negative cable from your Audi A5's ground point. Then, disconnect the black negative cable from the donor battery. Next, remove the red positive cable from the donor battery. Finally, take off the red positive cable from your Audi A5's positive jumpstart terminal. Drive your Audi A5 for at least 20 minutes to ensure the battery recharges properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.